Okay, real talk. I dare you to try this Jell-O trick Melissa McCarthy used and not see your big belly fat melt off on its own. I found this gelatin mix completely by accident while stalking McCarthy's nutritionist on Instagram. She posted it and deleted it in less than 3 hours, but I saw it and I tried it. Look at me last Christmas. I could have been mistaken for Santa Claus himself because of the size of my belly. Now, I had to buy size S pajamas for this year's Christmas Eve. I didn't do anything crazy to get here. It was literally one bowl of Jell-O with 3 ingredients prepared in less than 30 seconds. The nutritionist said this is what McCarthy used to drop 88 pounds of stubborn fat so fast without Mounjaro. When I found out that's what transformed her body, no gym, no diet, I thought, screw it, I'll try it. 6 days later, my husband looked at me and said, "Did you do something different? You look stunning in this dress." Since then, I can't wear my favorite jeans anymore. They keep falling off. It's so ridiculously simple. I actually get mad I didn't find it sooner. But if this video showed up for you today, it's because Jesus loves you, babe. Because I downloaded the short video of the nutritionist that teaches exactly how to make the Jell-O trick before it vanished. Just tap the Learn More button below and watch it before she finds out and asks me to delete.